Want to take your trade global? Information is key to successful trade. Pakistan's single window presents you with this information through the Trade Information Portal Pakistan, or TIP. On a single, easily searchable website, the portal provides all the information you need to import, export and transit goods to and from Pakistan. Start with the home page www.tip.gov.pk and select the language, Urdu or English, that you want to use. From the home page, you can access different types of information. Everything you need to know to apply for certificates, licenses, permits, or any other regulatory requirements. You can search for what you need by commodity description or by the HS code. For each commodity, you'll find all relevant tariffs, products, non-tariff measures, and their associated procedures. Select a procedure for an illustrated step-by-step guide and click on the linked forms to view any forms that you need. You can even download the form to complete it. Top Traded Commodities. TIPP also offers guided journeys to learn the best steps for Pakistan's top traded commodities. From the homepage, just select your commodity and find all the steps you need to take to import and export it. Select the step and follow the guided procedure. Additional features. The sidebar on the right has a members area where you can register for updated notifications and many useful links such as to the Pakistan single window. In addition, you will find many useful pages providing guidance on Pakistan's international trade, a duty calculator to help you understand payable tariffs, and trade statistics. Supporting growth. TIP provides extensive additional guidance on how to import and export. Select any item for more information. Select any item for more information. TIP also shows you how to take advantage of Pakistan's international trade agreements so you can take your trade to the next level. Trade agreements between countries lower trade barriers on imported goods. In TIP, you can find out which countries Pakistan has trade agreements with and boost your business through them. The Trade Information Portal Pakistan delivers you the information you need to take your trade onto the world's stage. TIP is implemented and supported by the Federal Government of Pakistan and development partner USAID.